What if I told you that the quiet hum of your morning coffee machine could soon be accompanied by an AI so intuitive, so profoundly intelligent, that it could not only plan your entire day flawlessly, but also debug complex code you wrote last night, or even break down the most perplexing theories of quantum physics into an explanation so simple it feels like a casual chat with your wisest friend? This isn't a scene from a distant sci-fi movie. It's the imminent reality ushered in by GPT-5, a technological marvel poised to redefine our very interaction with intelligence. If you've ever felt the spark of curiosity about what comes next, about how technology could genuinely serve you, then prepare yourself, because the dawn of a true AI revolution is upon us, and it promises to transform the mundane into the magical, one interaction at a time. For years, we've been captivated by AI's ability to generate text, from dazzling prose to insightful code snippets. GPT-3 and GPT-4 showed us the power of language models, but GPT-5 is not merely an upgrade. It's a profound paradigm shift. Imagine an AI that doesn't just read your words but sees your images, hears your voice, and even understands your gestures within a video. This is the multimodal heart of GPT-5. Its uncanny ability to process and generate text, images, voice, and even video seamlessly. Let's bring this to life. Picture this. Your antique grandfather clock suddenly stops ticking. Frustration sets in. You grab your phone, snap a quick photo of the mechanism, and then, instead of sifting through obscure online forums or calling an expensive repairman, you simply upload the image to GPT-5. But it doesn't stop at diagnosing the probable issue. It seems like the escapement lever is jammed. No, GPT-5 analyzes the image, cross-references it with a vast database of repair manuals and video tutorials, and instantly sends you a personalized step-by-step video. It's not just any video, it's one where the AI's voice calmly narrates the repair process, highlighting exactly what to do on your specific model of clock, complete with animated arrows and circles superimposed directly onto the video you sent. It's like having a master craftsman whispering instructions directly into your ear, guiding your hands, making a daunting task surprisingly manageable. Now shift that scenario to education. Consider a high school student grappling with a complex calculus problem. Their textbook an impenetrable wall of abstract symbols. They simply snap a photo of the problem with their phone and upload it. GPT-5 doesn't just spit out the answer. It recognizes the specific learning style of the student based on past interactions, or even infers it from their current struggle. If the student is a visual learner, GPT-5 might respond with an interactive diagram illustrating the concept, perhaps showing a real-world application like the arc of a thrown ball. If they're an auditory learner, it might provide a concise, engaging voice narration, breaking down each step in a relatable analogy. Perhaps for a kinesthetic learner, it suggests a virtual simulation where they can manipulate variables themselves. This isn't just tutoring. It's a truly personalized learning experience that adapts in real time, making difficult concepts click in a way that traditional methods often fail to achieve. This incredible leap in versatility fundamentally alters how we interact with technology. Think about the last time you dealt with a clunky customer service chatbot. You type out your complaint, growing increasingly frustrated as it cycles through irrelevant FAQs, unable to grasp the nuance of your problem. Now imagine a customer service scenario powered by GPT-5. A faulty product? You take a photo, record a quick voice memo explaining the issue, and even upload a short video showing the malfunction. GPT-5 instantly processes all three inputs, understands the emotional tone in your voice, empathizes with your frustration, and offers a solution: a refund, a replacement, or a detailed troubleshooting guide, all in real time, often within seconds. This isn't just convenience. It's a radical transformation of digital interaction, turning moments of exasperation into experiences of seamless resolution. How often have you wanted your technology to truly understand you, not just your keywords? What could this level of intuitive, multimodal understanding mean for your daily interactions with businesses? From the simplest online purchase to the most complex tech support query. Beyond its groundbreaking versatility, GPT-5 promises a quality that truly sets it apart: the ability to reason more like us. It's not just about crunching data or identifying patterns. It's about enhanced reasoning capabilities that allow it to tackle wickedly complex problems, formulate hypotheses that feel surprisingly human, and predict outcomes with an unprecedented level of accuracy. This isn't just a bigger calculator. It's a profound leap towards machine intelligence that can genuinely think and innovate. Consider a climate scientist grappling with vast, intricate data sets: satellite imagery, temperature records, ocean currents, atmospheric compositions, historical weather patterns spanning decades. A human team might spend months, even years, sifting through terabytes of this information, searching for correlations, trying to discern subtle shifts. GPT-5, with its advanced reasoning engine, could digest this gargantuan volume of data in a fraction of the time. But its true power lies not just in finding patterns that humans might miss, but in identifying novel relationships between seemingly unrelated variables. It could detect an emerging, multi-decade cycle of ocean warming influenced by obscure, atmospheric feedback loops, or predict the precise impact of specific carbon emission levels on regional biodiversity with startling accuracy. More profoundly, it could then suggest new research directions that human scientists hadn't even considered, posing what-if scenarios and outlining experimental designs to validate its hypotheses. It becomes less a data processor and more an intellectual collaborator, expanding the frontiers of human knowledge. In the realm of education, GPT-5 transforms into the most patient, insightful, and adaptable tutor imaginable. Imagine a high schooler struggling with the abstract world of algebra. Instead of rote memorization or dry explanations, GPT-5 might respond by crafting a compelling interactive story. It could explain variables by likening them to mystery ingredients in a grand recipe, where you're trying to figure out how much flour, X, or sugar, Y, you need to bake a perfect cake. It might generate custom visuals, a video animation of a chef adjusting ingredients, or a diagram showing how an unknown quantity balances a scale, making the abstract tangible and the complex simple. It adapts its explanation not just to the student's learning style, but to their specific point of confusion, providing gentle nudges and clarifying examples until the concept truly clicks. The practical implications of this human-like reasoning extend into every facet of our lives. In healthcare, GPT-5 could become an invaluable diagnostic partner for doctors. Imagine a rural clinic, far from specialist expertise, where a general practitioner uploads an X-ray or a patient's entire medical history. GPT-5 swiftly analyzes the scans, cross-references symptoms with the latest global research papers, clinical trials, and rare disease databases, and then flags a subtle anomaly, a shadow on an X-ray, a fleeting symptom in a long medical record that even the most experienced human eye might overlook. This isn't about replacing doctors, but empowering them, potentially leading to earlier diagnoses, more targeted treatments, and ultimately saving lives. In your own life, think about the big decisions that keep you up at night. Should you invest your savings in a new, risky venture? Should you pivot your career path? GPT-5 could analyze market trends, simulate potential outcomes, weigh risks and rewards, and present a logically structured case with supporting data, empowering you to make truly informed choices, not just gut feelings. How would having such an astute, impartial reasoning partner, capable of seeing angles you might miss, fundamentally change the way you approach the most significant decisions in your life? From personal finance to career shifts. One of GPT-5's most revolutionary and perhaps most liberating features is its massive context window. We're talking about the ability to handle up to 200,000 tokens. That's roughly the length of a full-length novel, or even multiples, novels stacked together. What does this mean in practical terms? It means GPT-5 can keep track of entire, sprawling conversations, digest incredibly long documents, or even remember the intricate details of whole books without ever losing context, forgetting a previous statement, or requiring you to re-explain yourself. This is a monumental leap from current AI models that often forget what you said just a few paragraphs ago. For legal professionals, this is nothing short of a game changer. Imagine a legal team preparing for a complex, multi-party trial. They're facing thousands upon thousands of pages of documents, contracts, depositions, case law, expert testimonies, and email exchanges stretching back years. Manually sifting through this mountain of text is a monumental, often error-prone task. With GPT-5, the legal team can upload this entire corpus. The AI can then review every single document, cross-referencing information, identifying inconsistencies between witness statements and signed agreements, flagging hidden clauses in contracts that could pose a risk, and even summarizing key points from depositions that span hundreds of pages, all in a matter of seconds. It's like having an eidetic legal clerk who has read every single document and remembers every nuance, allowing lawyers to focus on strategy rather than endless data retrieval. In our everyday lives, this feature promises to transform how we manage and interact with information. Consider a writer embarking on a sprawling fantasy novel series, where continuity across multiple books is crucial. They could upload their entire manuscript, character bios, world-building lore, plot outlines, and finished chapters into GPT-5. Then they could simply ask, does character X's motivation in Chapter 27 align with their backstory established in Chapter 3? Or, are there any inconsistencies in the magical system described across the first two books? GPT-5 would instantly scan, analyze, and provide detailed feedback, suggesting edits to ensure seamless plot consistency and character development, even proposing new character arcs or subplots that naturally emerge from the existing narrative. It becomes a co-author, a literary editor that holds the entire fictional world in its memory. Or think about the relentless juggle of a busy parent, managing work deadlines, school schedules, household chores, and a myriad of personal commitments. Your GPT-5 agent could track every detail: your child's soccer practice schedule, the upcoming doctor's appointment, the long email thread about the school fundraiser, the grocery list you started days ago. You simply say, "Remind me about Liam's soccer game next Tuesday," and GPT-5 instantly integrates it. Later, it might proactively suggest, "Given your schedule for next week, would you like me to draft that email to the school about the fundraiser, recalling the points you made in our conversation last Thursday?" The frustration of forgetting a crucial detail from a long email chain, or struggling to recall the key points from a meeting weeks ago, could simply vanish. What weight would be lifted from your mind if you had an AI that truly remembered everything you needed when you needed it, acting as your ultimate cognitive offload? In our fast-paced world, speed isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. And GPT-5 delivers with an optimization so profound that its responses are expected to be near instantaneous. Thanks to its optimized architecture and advanced hardware, the frustrating lag that sometimes plagues current AI models, the slight delay, the buffering pause that breaks the flow of thought, will be a thing of the past. Interactions will feel as natural and immediate as a conversation with a close friend, where ideas flow freely without interruption. For businesses, this translates directly into superior customer experience. Imagine contacting tech support. Instead of waiting minutes for a live agent or suffering through slow chatbot responses, your query is met with an immediate, intelligent answer. This isn't just about speed in getting an answer, but the speed of dynamic problem-solving. A customer service agent powered by GPT-5 could simultaneously analyze your account history, interpret your voice tone for urgency, and pull up relevant product information, all within milliseconds, allowing for a seamless, empathetic, and fast resolution. For students, it means real-time feedback during study sessions. Struggling with a concept? Ask GPT-5 a question, and before you can even finish formulating your thought, a clear, concise explanation tailored to your understanding pops up, keeping your learning momentum unbroken. Consider a freelance creative, professional under tight deadlines, pitching a new client. They have a brilliant idea for a campaign but need to quickly visualize it. They could ask GPT-5 to draft a comprehensive proposal, incorporating specific client requirements discussed in a previous meeting, which GPT-5 remembers, of course. As feedback comes in, the freelancer instantly asks GPT-5 to refine the proposal, perhaps suggesting alternative taglines or visual concepts. Then, with a few more prompts, GPT-5 generates a stunning presentation deck, complete with compelling visuals and data, all within minutes. The speed of iteration is astounding. Or picture a gamer stuck on a particularly challenging level in a new open-world game. They could simply ask GPT-5 for help, perhaps even sharing a screenshot of their current predicament. GPT-5 instantly provides not just tips, but a personalized video walkthrough of that exact segment of the game, demonstrating the optimal strategy. This incredible speed isn't merely about convenience. It's about empowering us to act on ideas the very moment they strike, turning fleeting inspiration into tangible output with unprecedented efficiency. How many times has a technological delay stalled your progress, broken your creative flow, or simply left you waiting? How would truly lightning-fast, smoother AI interactions unlock new levels of productivity and creativity in your own life? GPT-5's ability to not just process, but also generate images and videos from simple text descriptions opens up a truly visionary world of possibilities. This isn't just about creating pretty pictures. It's about giving AI the power to perceive and manifest visual reality, transforming how we diagnose, secure, and create. In healthcare, this capability could revolutionize diagnostics. Imagine a doctor uploading an MRI or CT scan. GPT-5, trained on an unimaginable volume of medical imagery, could interpret these scans with astonishing precision, identifying subtle lesions, minute tumors, or early-stage indicators of disease that might escape even the most experienced human radiologists, especially when faced with fatigue or subtle visual cues. This could lead to earlier interventions and significantly improved patient outcomes, democratizing access to world-class diagnostic interpretation. In security, GPT-5 could monitor live video feeds from surveillance cameras, not just detecting motion, but understanding complex behaviors. It could identify suspicious patterns of movement, recognize potentially threatening objects, or flag unusual gatherings in real time, providing proactive alerts that human monitors might miss due to distraction or the sheer volume of data. For creatives, GPT-5's text-to-image and text-to-video capabilities are the stuff of dreams. A marketer brainstorming a new product launch could simply describe their campaign concept: a futuristic car, sleek and aerodynamic, driving through a neon-lit city at night, with a sense of speed and exhilaration. In seconds, GPT-5 could generate a series of stunning visual concepts, from realistic renders to stylized animations, allowing the marketer to rapidly iterate and visualize their ideas. This doesn't just speed up the creative process, it democratizes it, making high-quality visual content accessible to anyone with an idea, regardless of their artistic skill or budget. Picture an interior designer working with a client. Instead of static 2D sketches or cumbersome 3D models that take hours to render, the designer describes the client's dream living room. A minimalist Scandinavian aesthetic, warm oak wood, soft natural light, and a touch of deep forest green. GPT-5 could instantly generate a hyper-realistic 3D rendering of the space. As the client suggests tweaks, can we try a lighter shade of green? Or, what if the sofa was L-shaped? GPT-5 adjusts the rendering in real time, allowing the client to virtually walk through their redesigned space before any physical changes are made. Or imagine a teacher crafting engaging lessons. They could ask GPT-5 to generate dynamic animations that bring abstract concepts to life. The circulatory system in action, the Big Bang unfolding, or the intricate dance of tectonic plates, tailored precisely to the lesson plan and even the student's specific questions. These tools don't just democratize creativity. They amplify human imagination, turning fleeting thoughts into vivid, shareable experiences. What kind of projects, currently trapped in your imagination due to a lack of artistic skill or resources, could you finally bring to life if you had an AI that could instantly visualize your wildest ideas? For developers, from seasoned professionals to eager beginners, GPT-5 is akin to having a brilliant, indefatigable coding partner available 24/7. Trained on an unfathomably vast ocean of code bases across countless languages, it possesses an unparalleled understanding of software logic, best practices, and common pitfalls. This means it can not only write code from natural language descriptions, but also meticulously debug complex applications, optimize inefficient algorithms, and even refactor aging legacy systems with remarkable speed and accuracy. Imagine a college student new to Python grappling with their first coding assignment. They write a script, run it, and encounter a cryptic error message. Instead of spending hours scouring online forums or waiting for a professor's office hours, they paste their buggy code into GPT-5. The AI doesn't just fix it, it meticulously explains why the error occurred, pointing out the logical flaw or syntax mistake. Then, it offers insightful tips to improve the code's efficiency, readability, and adherence to best practices, turning a frustrating bug hunt into a rich, personalized learning experience. It's an interactive tutor that possesses infinite patience and boundless knowledge, guiding the student towards genuine understanding. In the professional workplace, GPT-5 could fundamentally streamline the software development lifecycle. A startup building a groundbreaking new mobile app might leverage GPT-5 to rapidly prototype new features based on simple descriptions like, create a social feed where users can share short video clips and comment on them. GPT-5 could generate the basic front-end and back-end code, saving countless hours of development time and resources, allowing human developers to focus on the more complex, innovative aspects of the application. Beyond new development, GPT-5's ability to spot vulnerabilities and suggest security best practices could be a game changer, acting as a tireless code auditor. It could even assist in refactoring massive, decades-old code bases written in obscure languages, understanding the original intent and translating it into modern, efficient code. Even for non-coders, GPT-5's coding prowess is revolutionary. Imagine a small business owner who needs a simple, elegant website for their artisanal bakery. They don't know HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. They could simply describe their vision to GPT-5. I need a website with a clean design, a photo gallery of my pastries, an About Us section, and a contact form. My brand colors are warm browns and creams. GPT-5 would then generate the complete functional website code, tailored precisely to their brand and requirements. The owner could then simply copy and paste it or use a simple deployment tool. This capability democratizes web presence and software creation, empowering individuals and small businesses to build their digital dreams without needing to hire expensive developers or learn complex programming languages. What innovative projects, previously out of reach due to a lack of technical skills or resources, could you now pursue with an AI like GPT-5 as your brilliant coding co-pilot? Perhaps the most exciting and indeed the most futuristic aspect of GPT-5 is its potential to power truly autonomous agents. These aren't just chatbots you interact with. They are intelligent AI companions designed to anticipate your needs, make decisions on your behalf within defined parameters, and handle complex tasks with minimal input from you. They are, in essence, your proactive, ever-vigilant personal delegators. At home, imagine an autonomous GPT-5 agent seamlessly managing the intricate dance of your daily life. It could manage your calendar, not just logging appointments, but optimizing your schedule for peak productivity and well-being, perhaps suggesting a mid-afternoon break based on your energy patterns. It could learn your dietary preferences, track your pantry inventory, and autonomously shop for groceries, ensuring you always have fresh ingredients on hand. It could even analyze your utility bills, identify potential savings, and negotiate with service providers on your behalf, flagging unusual charges or suggesting better plans. This isn't just automation, it's proactive optimization of your personal ecosystem. In the realm of customer service, these agents promise a level of responsiveness and empathy previously unimaginable. They wouldn't just answer questions, they would resolve complex issues from start to finish, tailoring their responses not just to the specific problem, but to the customer's unique history with the company, and even their current emotional state, detected through voice analysis. Imagine an agent that remembers every past interaction you've ever had, understands your frustration, and proactively offers a solution that genuinely addresses the root cause of your complaint, transforming a potentially negative experience into one of genuine satisfaction. Picture a busy professional juggling multiple projects, deadlines, and international time zones. Their GPT-5 agent could become an indispensable executive assistant. It would not only schedule meetings, coordinating across multiple participants and time zones, but also draft comprehensive reports based on project data and previous discussions. It could even suggest lunch spots based on dietary needs, proximity to your next meeting and past dining preferences, making reservations on your behalf, or consider a retiree, navigating the complexities of healthcare and daily living. Their GPT-5 agent could diligently monitor health data from wearables, gently remind them of medication schedules, track important appointments, and even proactively arrange telehealth visits with their doctor when certain health indicators fluctuate. These autonomous agents promise a future where technology feels less like a tool you use and more like a trusted partner that seamlessly integrates into your life, freeing up your mental bandwidth for what truly matters to you. What tasks in your life, whether mundane or mentally taxing, would you most love to delegate to an intelligent, proactive AI agent, allowing you to reclaim precious time and energy? As GPT-5 pushes the boundaries of what we thought possible, the profound question inevitably surfaces. Are we truly nearing artificial general intelligence, AGI? A state where AI not only matches but perhaps surpasses human intelligence across the vast majority of cognitive tasks. Some highly optimistic experts whisper predictions of AGI by year's end. Others, more cautiously, view it as a distant, yet inevitable, destination. What is undeniable, however, is the breathtaking, exponential pace of progress. Each new generation of AI builds upon the last, creating a powerful feedback loop where innovation fuels itself, accelerating discovery at an astonishing rate. GPT-5's advancements, its groundbreaking multimodality, its enhanced reasoning capabilities, its virtually limitless memory, its lightning speed, and its potential for autonomous agency collectively bring us closer than ever to machines that can truly think, learn, and act with a human-like depth and breadth. Yet, this thrilling progression naturally raises a cascade of critical questions. How do we ensure that this burgeoning, powerful intelligence serves humanity's best interests, rather than unintended consequences? What new skills, uniquely human in their essence, will we need to cultivate and hone in an increasingly AI-driven world? How do we address the ethical considerations of bias, job displacement, and the very concept of control over such advanced intelligence? These are not questions for a distant future. They are challenges we, as a global society, must face head-on, collectively, and with proactive foresight, beginning today. For now, GPT-5 offers us a tantalizing, tangible glimpse of a future where technology doesn't just assist us, but genuinely amplifies our potential, propelling us forward. From solving some of the planet's most intractable global problems, like climate change and disease, to profoundly enriching our daily lives in ways we can barely imagine, the promise is immense. As we stand on the precipice of such profound technological and societal change, what role do you envision for yourself in shaping a future where AI truly serves humanity's highest aspirations? How will you contribute to building this new era? This exhilarating journey through the immense potential of GPT-5 teaches us a profound and empowering lesson. The future is not some predetermined destiny that merely happens to us. It is, unequivocally, something we actively create. By embracing the possibilities that AI presents, by engaging with these powerful new tools with curiosity and a sense of shared responsibility, we can unlock solutions to complex problems, unleash unprecedented waves of human creativity, and build a world that reflects our highest aspirations for progress and well-being. But this journey of creation begins not with passive observation, but with active engagement. It starts with curiosity, staying informed, asking critical questions, and daring to imagine what could be. It continues with action, experimenting with these new tools, understanding their capabilities and limitations, and thinking critically about how AI can genuinely serve your personal goals, your community, and the broader human endeavor. Whether you are a student just beginning your path, a seasoned professional navigating your career, or simply a dreamer envisioning a better world, GPT-5 serves as a powerful reminder that technology, in its purest form, is only as impactful as the people who wield it, the intentions that guide it, and the visions that inspire it. So, as we stand at this incredible inflection point, what's your next step? How will you harness the immense power of AI, not just GPT-5 but the entire, evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, to transform your own life, uplift your community, or contribute to a better world? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd truly love to hear your ideas, your dreams, and your concerns. And if this journey into the dawn of the AI revolution has sparked your curiosity and ignited your imagination, please hit that subscribe button to join our growing community of forward thinkers. Your support helps us continue to explore these thrilling frontiers of technology together. Wishing you good health, endless inspiration, and boundless possibilities. See you in the next adventure.